Hello friends, I am here once again in order to give you an example which relates to the reasons for non-performance of contract. Basically, the first reason, that is destruction of subject matter, which I discussed with you in the morning. There is an example which relates to this reason. So I would like to tell you the reason. Initially I was in a doubt whether I should tell this to you or not, because I was doubting you might get bored if I don't explain well, but eventually I decided to give it a try. So I am explaining now that there were two people in the year 1863. They were named Taylor and Caldwell. You can remember simply as T and C, terms and conditions. Okay, so in 1863 there were two people, namely T and C, and there was a deal between the two that a musical hall is there which will be sold by T to C, and C will pay for the hall. But eventually the hall got destroyed by fire. So the court said that since the subject matter of the contract does not exist anymore, the contract also does not exist anymore. The subject matter here is the musical hall. It is the subject matter because the deal was struck with regard to the hall only. So, hall is the subject matter, the thing for which the deal was struck between T and C. And the court said that the subject matter is over, it is no more, so the contract is no more. Its terms and conditions cannot be fulfilled, it cannot be performed, it has failed. So, this was the example which I wanted to give you. I am simply calling it an example, however, this is known as a case law. Case law is a law which is made on the basis of cases. The cases that come up in a court of law are decided by the judges. When they decide the cases, they give a decision, and their decision creates a law. Such law is called case law. And case laws are important for future cases. Whenever there are cases in future which are similar to the case which is being dealt with by the judges at the moment, then the law which is evolved by the judges in the case at present will be applicable to those future cases which are similar to it. So, this is the function of case law. Case laws are always applicable to future similar cases. If there is a case between me and you, it will be decided by the judges, the decision will be given, some law will be evolved, and this law will be applicable to those cases which come up in future before the court and which are similar to the case between me and you, so that the law which has been created in my and your case will be made applicable to those cases which are similar to this case. So, this is the crux of what a case law is. This is basically the crux of the example. The example between T and C is actually a case law. And case law means a case, a judgment that was given by the court. Taylor versus Caldwell, and this case belongs to the year 1863. Uh, Dear people, whenever we study cases, we always study about the year in which the cases have occurred, the journal in which they are mentioned, the page number of the journal where they are mentioned, and so on and so forth. In a combination, these 3-4 elements create what we call a citation. Citation is just like references and footnotes which we write in our research papers or some article which we publish, which we uh, strive to get published. Citations are basically like footnotes, references, and so on. But citation is always a combination of year of the case, journal of the case, journal number, page number, and so on. I am sharing this information with you just as a matter of light conversation. No need to remember it in a hard and fast way. Just enjoy, just listen, and be happy, be healthy, be relaxed. Moreover, yes, I haven't told you one more thing. Case laws are also known as precedents. The judgments of the court, the cases of the court are known as case law. They are known as precedents also. Okay, so this was my discussion, the remaining discussion for today, because the major part of the discussion was already done. So this was the only thing that was left. Uh, okay, dear people, good night. Take care and be happy, be healthy, keep exercising, and give me chance to prove myself, to improve myself. Give me chance to improve myself and be connected to me. Thank you, friends. Good night, friends.